Hello dear students, Beena Shukla here. Today we have to read a new lesson, My Elder Brother. As you listen the title of this small skit, My Elder Brother, means someone is telling about his elder brother. So it's very interesting and very interesting and very natural story that takes place daily around us. So first of all, we will read it and we will mark some new words those you need to know about that. This is a scene in a hostel. Two brothers live in a hostel, and younger one is 9 years old and elder one is 14 years old. They are sitting at a study table. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So when you read these lines, then you can know that how much younger one is interested in drawing, and he is drawing pictures of birds and animals. Now they start conversation. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? I am drawing. When will you study? Where were you in the morning? Turning pale. Munna is turning pale. It means he is caught red-handed by Bhaiya. I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? Sat. That's here you can see it is, that is because I want my foundation. In education to be very strong, if the base, you can see here base and foundation. Base and foundation, these are synonyms. Base is foundation and foundation is base. Is strong, then the building will stand firmly in a firm way. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Beautiful, you know, that looks very nice, that is pretty. You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak or write English properly, that is in a proper way. Tremendous efforts. This may be a new word for you. Tremendous, matlab a lot of positive efforts, nice efforts, laborious effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and fly paper kites, or sit idling. Means it is a lazy way. Away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or a hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer means to give priority. Prefer, दो चीजों में आप क्या prefer करेंगे एक? I don't mind repeating again and again a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect एक्सपेक्ट मतलब एक कुछ उम्मीद करना. रिपीटिंग बच्चों, यहाँ पर देखो रिपीटिंग इज जस्ट लाइक रट्टाफिकेशन, जिसको अब हम लोग मना करते हैं कि आप लर्न मत करिए. यू फोकस ऑन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. To pass, if you waste your time playing all the time, you are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Munna starts crying on being scolded. Scolded. डांट पड़ी ना भैया से. Scolded. And sobbing, सुबकना. जब आपको डांट पड़ती है तो आप सुबकने लगते हैं धीरे धीरे. Like that sounds ba are hurt. These are the sounds. These are sounds of sobbing. Munna starts. First thing, Munna is very disappointed that he is not going to see Mela, and then Bhaiya scolded him. So he starts crying. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and go back home. Now stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Dawn, you know not, dawn is early morning. Early morning. Jaldi uthna, bilkul early morning. And now here you can see this timetable that is made by Munna's Bhaiya. 6 a.m. wash your hands, have your breakfast, sit down to study. 6 to 8 English, 8 to 9 maths, 9 to 9:30 a.m. history, 3:30 p.m. Then off to school, then grammar 5 to 6 p.m. Half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition, then dinner, then translation, then Hindi, then 10 to 11 p.m. other subjects, and then to bed. This was the timetable. Munna. When Munna reached the timetable, then he asked, when is the time to play? Play? What is the need, Munna? Oh, I love the green fields. The gentle, that is soft breeze is wind. I want to jump up like a football. I like to touch and go and hoo-to-to sounds of the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of the volleyball pulls me like a magnet. Magnet बच्चों आप लोग जानते हो ना, magnet चुंबक को कहते हैं. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. Forget? Why forget? He's being mad with a lot of things. Now the scene is finished. The first scene was when Munna and Bhaiya were talking. Scene 2, the final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, alas, this word shows sorrow. I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped. Topped means to get a high rank. My class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Munna already in first scene said that you are 5 years elder, but I am only 3 classes behind you. So again he reminds here. But my dear Vidya, don't be so proud. You have passed only 1 class and you think that I'm stupid. And you are smart. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal. But that doesn't means Bhaiya wants to say that it is by chance. You have mastered. Mastered means to get perfection. Mastered. Master हो जाना, किसी चीज को बहुत अच्छे से सीख लेना. You have to work hard to be successful. Successful means anything is achieved. When you have to study a subject like algebra, geometry in higher classes, and then you will understand the importance of hard work. Importance spelling, you should be very careful about that. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners who are designing the paper, making paper and take test will not spare. Spare means leave you. Spare, leave you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Oh, bhai sahab, this is scary. It's not pleasant. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. जैसे आप homework नहीं करते हो तो आपको punishment मिलता है. Munna is frightened for that. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages, and imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all so mixed up. Munna, thank God. It was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Munna is always in trouble due to Bhaiya's scolding. Now this again they go to school and the scene is changed and Munna thanked. Now scene 3. The results were out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. Upset means not happy, disturbed. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. What happened? Munna is being overconfident and Bhaiya is slightly depressed as he is again failed. So he thinks that I should not say more and more to Munna. I'm lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. How can I play games with my friends and fly kites? But I should still be careful. Munna now becomes naughtier and naughtier. So he says like that. One day, a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna starts running in order to grab. To grab is to catch it. Suddenly, achanak, he comes face to face Bhaiya. Because Bhaiya is always worried for Munna. Bhaiya is a strict brother, but he loves to Munna and he wishes that Munna should study and do good things, good performance he should give. Catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed? Again Bhaiya is angry. He says, aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just 1 class ahead of you and I can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Really, Bhaiya? Is that true? Bhaiya, yes. There are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole Pura world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain, to make clear to us and correct us. भैया wants to say कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किताब में पास नहीं हो पाया तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है। ये जैसे माँ बाप पढ़े लिखे नहीं है तो वो समझदार नहीं है, वो एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, वो बहुत कुछ जानते हैं। सब कुछ हम किताबों से ही नहीं सीखते, बहुत कुछ हम अपने आप करके, व्यवहार से और अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीखते हैं। भैया ये कहना चाहते हैं। तो ये मत सोचो कि मैं पास नहीं हो पाया तो मैं तुम्हें कुछ कह नहीं सकता। I don't know भैया, I would tell बाबा and he would rush. Rush means to run. कहते हैं अगर तुम बीमार पड़े या मैं बीमार पड़ा तो क्या करोगे? तो मुन्ना कहता है मैं तो जल्दी से बाबा को बताऊंगा। आहा, भैया says I expected this answer. Answer is in reply. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience. बच्चों कितनी अच्छी बात भैया बता रहे हैं। आप में बहुत लोग अपनी दादी बाबा को कह देते हैं अरे आपको कैसे मालूम, अरे आपको ये नहीं मालूम, अरे आप क्या जानेंगे। ऐसा नहीं होता, वो बहुत बड़े हैं, उन्होंने बहुत टाइम बिताया, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ देखा है, तो उनके पास एक्सपीरियंसेस का खजाना होता है और वो बहुत चीजें हमें बिना किताब पढ़े भी बहुत चीजें बता सकते हैं जो हमारी लाइफ के लिए यूजफुल होती हैं। भैया हग्स मुन्ना लविंगली। इन्हें लव हग्स मीन्स उसको हग करता है, चिपका लेता है, प्यार करता है भैया। I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my brother. So you have seen here, भैया बहुत समझदार है और मुन्ना भी अच्छा बच्चा है। द प्रॉब्लम इज कि भैया ये नहीं समझते हैं कि रटने से ही नहीं होता। अगर मुन्ना का इंटरेस्ट ड्राइंग में है, मुन्ना ड्राइंग करना चाहता है, दूसरी तरह से करना चाहता है, दूसरी चीजें करना चाहता है तो वो भी ठीक है। पर दे आर nice brothers and they solve out all the things what are coming on the way. Here you can see some new words are there. That is foundation. Foundation is base, solid base. I told you that base and foundation are synonyms. Same words. Schedule, timetable. Essay, composition. Idling means lazy or without any purpose or without any aim. Mastered मतलब expertise, gained expertise, skilled, perfection. So next time we will play in pair and we will do dialogue delivery. So that is all for the day. Okay, bye.